Day in the restaurant usually starts at about 8 o'clock, looking in the mirror and saying, it doesn't matter how you feel, you've got 100 employees that you're responsible to. You've got to come in, walk through that door, put it all behind you, and fire up your staff.
Any restaurant is going to feed you. Any restaurant is going to put a beverage in front of you. But how many restaurants really are going to take care of you and treat you like they care? So as you think about your experience here at Arch Rock Fish and what we're going to be creating and how different it is, bring to mind the neighborhood joint. And at this place, at Arch Rock Fish, the neighborhood joint, you're going to find that you're having more fun, your guests are having more fun, and you're making more money. That's how it's going to go.
I know exactly who we are and what we're doing, and to communicate that and have somebody else buy out on that and believe in that as much as we do, it takes a little time.
What we're doing is we're creating a neighborhood joint that's a gathering place for people, where I know everyone's name, I know what they like to eat, I know what they like to drink. The servers are emotionally involved with the customers instead of just serving them.
Kobe Jones, I've known Kobe since the second up. He really has a love and a passion for the restaurant business.
I think soccer has helped me from the aspect of being a team player, understanding how groups work, and trying to put out fires. I think that's one of the biggest things.
If you're doing something that you enjoy, it makes it all worth it, and I think that this is my calling, this is what I love to do.
I worked up here really hard for many years and met so many great people, and that's what I hope when I open those doors and I see all those people again and those faces, I'll be very proud and very happy.